Hello friends, I welcome you all to this weekly analysis video of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So every week, I think it's been 3 to 4 weeks now that we are continuously analyzing index that is Nifty and Bank Nifty for our coming weeks. Like we all see that how this index can perform in coming weeks, and I guess more or less we are going very good, and we are seeing a good results. Our analysis are being respected by market. So before getting into this week's analysis, the coming week's analysis, we will first see a small recap of what we saw last week and what happened in last week. Did our analysis work or not? So we will see that, because we have to learn from our past, right? So this is Nifty chart, and last week if you see, we were somewhere around here. Okay, let me just draw these lines. Okay, we were somewhere around here, and then what was our analysis? We talked about like Nifty has taken this support multiple times, like 1, 2, 3rd, right? So what I said was right, Nifty can break this level. This was our analysis, and at the lower levels, what was our support? I gave this as my support. Okay, this level, if you see, this levels was given as my support, not this exactly. Yeah, our levels was below this. Yes, this was our level, support level, and you can see Nifty has clearly respected that support, and Nifty has taken a good support from that level, right? So our analysis has worked well in Nifty. And if we see Bank Nifty, okay, let me just zoom in. Bank Nifty, we were at this level. This was our candle. This candle was where we were analyzing Bank Nifty. Here also I said was I am little bit bearish as in correction wise, right? I was expecting this level to come. You can see we even went below that, right? And we are still halting on that level only. Okay, so this was our analysis of last week. So last week analysis was good, but frankly I had taken a Bank Nifty option, that is I had bought option put options. Even my premium members, everyone bought that, but unfortunately due to the volatility, and because market didn't fall as our expectation, it did fall, but it took 2 to 3 days. After then it gave a fall, right? So because of that time value, our stop losses was hit in option. But that doesn't matter. What matters here is our analysis was right, and because if our analysis is right, market will give us more and more opportunities, right? So before getting into this week's analysis, so this is my YouTube channel. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Day Trader David. So if you are someone new, then definitely go throughout my contents that I have posted here. And if you like my analysis, also you can watch previous week's analysis also, and you can match it with the current chart, right? How it has worked or not, you can go through that. And then if you like my content, then definitely hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell icon, so that whenever I post a new video, you don't miss any of the updates. Okay, and also keep sharing my videos with your fellow traders. Okay, so let's see what can happen in coming week. What are my expectations in coming week? We will see that. Okay, so if we see Nifty has taken a good support, as we had talked about this level earlier. Okay, I will take you all to a smaller time frame, like what is my expectation and what is my analysis. You will see 1 hour chart. Let's see 1 hour chart. Okay, so this is 1 hour chart. Here what do I see is, let me just draw some trend lines. Okay, because of this screen recorder, the video gets little bit slow, or the sometimes there might be some stuck and all. Okay, so do avoid that and focus more on learning. So this is the lower trend line. Okay, let me just delete the support line, and if you see upper trend line, then you can see this. Okay, I think I had shared this pattern also. I don't remember exactly did I share it or not, but let's talk about our analysis, what can happen here. So we will talk that live. Okay, so I am doing this so that it might look good to you, because there are more of beginners, so they like to see such patterns. So that is the reason why I am drawing this. Okay, that's it. So if you see Nifty, let me take brush. Okay, from here Nifty fell, and then it made a high, lower high, and then lower low, lower high, then again lower low, and then here a breakout. Okay, so this is a Nifty chart. This is a pattern, triangle pattern. So once this pattern is formed, or once this there is a breakout or a breakdown, then what is the expected target in this pattern? So this week we will expect the target. So before that, let me just tell you that patterns don't work every time. Like if there are 10 patterns, then all the 10 patterns don't work. Out of 10, there may be 8 or even 7. Only 7 or 8 patterns work, and remaining others hit stop losses. Okay, so let's see. So we have to plan according to that only, right? So this is Nifty. So if we see Nifty in current level, then it is halting over here. So now let's talk about the target. So once this pattern gives a breakout, then the length of the pattern, remember the length of the pattern becomes the target, which is 438 points, let's say. Okay, so this was the length, and then if you see where does that length comes in, this level. So previous resistance, the length, the target comes exactly at the previous resistance. Okay, so this is how patterns work. So how ironic it is, right? So the previous resistance, exactly that level is the target as of now. Okay, so if Nifty respects this level or respects this level and then moves up, then this is my target, which is this previous swing high is my target. Let me just make it clear. Okay, if you see this level can be our target, which can be expected. I'm not saying it will be done in a week, but this is the expectation once a breakout, a pattern has given a breakout. Okay, so this is a breakout, and then another important thing that I wanted to discuss in Nifty. Okay, let us go to 30 minutes chart. Okay. Okay, in 30 minutes charts also there is another trend line, right? You can see it very well now. The support, let me take the brush. Here it took support, here it took support, and then here it took support, and then continuously consolidating. Okay, so all these are good sign, like for upside momentum. So a lot of people may be sitting here bearish, like market may go down and all. So I am not bearish now. Bearish as in I am for this week I will little look for upside momentum, and accordingly I have already taken a future position in a Nifty, and that position is been also shared in my Telegram group. Also, if you are not part of the Telegram group, then I will provide the link in the description so that you can join in over there, right? Okay, so in Nifty, this level becomes important in Nifty. So in Monday market, if you see Nifty like going above this level, opening above this level and then sustaining this level, then there can be some good momentum seen in Nifty. Okay, but if downfall happens also, I don't see any much downfall, but also I am sitting with a stop loss. My stop loss is of around 150 to 200 points. So let's see how it goes. If Nifty gives breakout, then well and good, or else if it falls from here, then I will exit my trade in loss. Okay, I'm already in a profit of around 35 points, I guess. Yeah, around 35 points I am in a profit. So even if there is some loss also, it will be a minimum loss only. Okay, so that is not an issue. So this is these are my target, and this is my Nifty analysis, what Nifty can do for the week. Okay, so keep your eyes wide open in Nifty, and yes, of course there is a resistance. Let me show you that also. If you see this area, okay, this is a resistance area for Nifty, because this from this level only we saw a fall, like this is a swing high. So here Nifty might struggle, but overall for this breakout target, the upside level is the target. Okay, so let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you see, looks bearish, right? A lot of people may say it is bearish, it is holding. Now there might be another fall, like this level will break and then there will be a fall, but no. Let's talk about Nifty. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you see, there is a clear cut 2 days high and 2 days low. Let me just make that high and low. Okay, so these are the high and low. So now even a kid will tell that once this high is broken, then the length of the candle, this candle will become the target, and once this low is broken, let me just take the brush. Okay, once this high is broken, then the length of the candle will be the upside target, and once the low is broken, then the same height of the candle will be the target. And what is the height of the candle? It is approx 450 points, I guess. Yeah, so you can see 450 points in a breakout or a breakdown. Okay, but we will talk about the broader market, what is happening. So let's zoom in. Now you can see something over here, or just pause this video and draw on your chart like what you see over here. I see a trend line, so let me just draw that for you all. Okay, I see a good trend line over here, right? You can see a breakout and then support and then support and then support and then support. Okay, but this trend line is multiple times tested also. So in that matter, you have to be a little cautious. But a buying momentum can happen once this upside level is broken. Okay, let me just draw that level also. So once this is broken upside, then some good momentum can be seen. Also, you can go sell Bank Nifty if the downside level is broken. Okay, let me just draw that also. But I am not preferring for selling as of now. But I can see good momentum upside because Nifty is bullish, and so Bank Nifty might also not give a breakdown. At least it may perform weak. It may underperform, but there might not be a breakdown. Okay, so these are the level of Bank Nifty, and targets. I am expecting 450 points target in Bank Nifty. Okay, I am giving you a target of 450 points any side. I am telling any side. If Bank Nifty breaks upside, then go along it with a 450 points target. Okay, so let's talk about a smaller range now, a smaller time frame. So okay, if you see here, then again you can find a trend line, right? A good trend line which is ready for a breakout. On last trading session, which was on Friday, Bank Nifty has almost closed at the trend line support or trend line resistance. So we will wait and watch how it happens. So in smaller time frame, what is my plan is, this level is very important to me, this support, because it is multiple time tested, multiple time as in it is like a double bottom. So this level is very important. If Bank Nifty breaks this support, listen carefully, Bank Nifty breaks this support, then there might be some weakness which can be seen in Bank Nifty. I will short Bank Nifty if this level is broken, and if I see any candles like on a closing basis, okay, I will short, or else I'm not interested in shorting. And in upside level, if you see, okay, so this level, let me just make it a little bigger. Okay, upside this level, so I will buy Bank Nifty. Actually I had already given a buy call in Bank Nifty, considering Bank Nifty is bullish, with a small stop loss. So I will buy again once this level, upside level, is broken. And I have already given the targets. Actually I have already shared this chart, I guess, in my Telegram channel with a buy call, and targets I have given like about this level, I guess. I don't remember exactly, but I have given a good target of around 23,000. Yes, we were here. Yes, this is the target that I have given. Yeah, got it. If you see, this is the expected target in Bank Nifty. So we will see what happens in Bank Nifty. So according to me, Bank Nifty looks bullish. Bullish as in it has not given sign as of now, but it is at support, Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty once broken, like if you see Nifty going up and then Bank Nifty giving a breakdown, then please don't short it. If Nifty is following the trend which is upside, and if Bank Nifty also gives this breakout, then do enter a long side. Okay, so this is the level as of now, which looks good to me. So do not fear with the red candles. Again, you can see 3 consecutive red candles at the top. No one knows that there can be a huge green candle here on Monday also. That no one can decide, right? So, but as SGX Nifty is down as of now, as of last trading session, but that doesn't matter to me. I see my chart as of now, it is saying that I am bullish. But if there is some gap down on Monday, and then if my levels are broken on a closing basis, then my views will change, because market is supreme and we have to go according to market, and we cannot say that market has to follow my trend, right? So whatever market does, we will do that. Fine. So these are my analysis of coming week in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I am giving 450 points target. Any side breakout or a breakdown, you can trade accordingly. And Nifty, I have already given my targets. I am bullish because of this pattern, but patterns can always fail. But I can see some good levels in Nifty. So because Nifty was continuously holding this level, I am not expecting Nifty to fall. But let's see, if the gap down happens, then things might change. Okay, so keep trade very cautiously. So I hope you all make some good profit in coming week. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. So if you are liking my analysis, then do share some views or show some love in comment section also, and do like the video, and also do hit the like button, and do share this video with your friends, with your who is a trader. And if any of your traders wants to learn something from stock market, then also you are free to share this video. Okay, so guys, that's it for the day, and please take care until we meet next time. So thank you for watching.